Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the 720p Spy Pen hidden camera. What we have here hidden inside of this normal looking pen is actually a high definition spy camera. It records everything onto a micro SD card located within the actual body of the pen, right there. The pen is battery powered and has a one-touch, easy to use design. Take a look at this quality demonstration.
Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration of the 720p Spy Pen. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you guys, but in order to do those tests we have to start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. Located on the top of the pen there's a button. Now if I press and hold this button for about 2 seconds you're going to see a green light come on, okay? Once that green light is solid, you press and hold it for about another 2 seconds. You're going to see that green light flash a few times and that starts the recording, okay?
Okay, so now all of the video and audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the pen itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio and video quality of a recorder.
So now for our next test, I'm going to take the 720p Spy Pen outside.
Here is demo footage of the 720p Spy Pen outdoors on a cloudy day.
Now onto the more technical features. The camera is capable of being time and date stamped, which you set up using your computer. To charge the battery, you simply plug it into your computer or any other USB charging port you may have. When you are ready to watch what you've recorded, you guessed it, you use your computer. Now, there isn't any proprietary software required for playback, so if you don't need to do any downloads or anything crazy. If you aren't so good with computers, don't worry. Give us a call and one of our technical support specialists will be glad to assist you to the best of our abilities.